Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why you're not getting sales on Etsy and what exactly you can do about it to improve your sales. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. The first reason you might not be getting sales on Etsy is because you do not have good photos. Good photos are essential. This is the first thing that people see when they're searching for an item on Etsy. They're gonna go to the search bar, type in whatever they're looking for, and come up with a ton of different options. And if your item doesn't have a good first photo to make an amazing first impression, they're not gonna even click on it and give you the time of day. So having an amazing photo that is high quality, clear, bright, easy to see, and looks amazing is going to be a clear way of getting people to click on your product, learn more about it, and be more likely to purchase it. The second reason you're not making sales is because you are not focusing on your SEO. Your SEO stands for search engine optimization. This is how your items are going to rank in the Etsy search. It's also how they rank on Google, but for the sake, we're just talking about Etsy. So earlier I mentioned someone going into the Etsy search bar and they're typing in what they're wanting to shop for. They're getting thousands of listings when they type that in. There's gonna be tons and tons of options. And the closer your item is to the top of that search, the more likely it is that they're going to be purchased. So if you are able to have high quality SEO that is going to rank your item high, you're gonna see more sales. Now, how do you do this? SEO is essentially all about your keywords. Keywords are the words that describe what your actual item is. So if you name something a Nicole necklace, no one's going into Etsy and searching for Nicole necklace unless that's their name and they're looking just for that name. They're gonna probably be searching for 16-inch gold chain diamond pendant necklace. I don't know. Whatever it is that they might want. They're gonna be looking for those detailed words. Those descriptive words are the keywords you need to be putting in your title and in your tags, okay? Your title should be filled with these keywords that help describe it, but don't overstep it. You don't need to use every single character in your title available. Use what is descriptive and the most important to help describe what it actually is, and you're good. Your tags need to be completely filled out, so you need to be filling out 13, all of them, so that you can best help categorize what your item is. Then you need to think about your attributes. Your attributes are those little drop-down sections that keep popping up as you fill out what type of item you have. So Etsy asks you in your actual listing what this item is, and you can type in what it is. So say, for example, you are selling a planner. It's gonna bring down a lot of different options for you, and you're gonna click on the one that best describes it. Once you click on that, it's gonna then populate a ton of other additional questions that you can answer to help categorize your item even further. People can actually filter these same things when they're searching on Etsy, which is going to allow you to rank higher, and it also helps Etsy to figure out what exactly your item is, which is giving you a higher chance of ranking higher in the Etsy search algorithm. I personally love using this website called Sales Samurai to help me come up with these great keywords. They're gonna help me find keywords that not everyone is using that are still gonna be really helpful in driving traffic. They can help you come up with new ones if you are running out of ideas or have no idea what you should include even in them at all. And it's gonna give you a look at what your competitors are putting in their tags too. I do have a 20% off code for you guys. It is just Lauren20. This video is not sponsored by them. I just personally use them and have a code for them. So if you guys wanna go and check it out, I'll link it up here for you as well as down below. It's a tool that I literally use for all of my shops and really helps my SEO and helps me to rank on Etsy and get more sales. The third reason you are not making sales is because your items are priced too high. As much as we all want to make a ton of money and have really high profit margins, if your item is priced too high, people aren't gonna buy it. It's just that. People know exactly what kind of offer they're gonna get and what their product is typically worth in their mind. Plus, when you're going through Etsy and you're searching for an item, you're gonna be able to see the price of all of them. So if you see the same item from two different shops and one is priced at $40 and one is priced at $30, you're probably gonna go with the $30 one. I would recommend looking at your competitors, see what your competitors are doing, try and match their pricing. If you cannot match their pricing due to the cost it takes to make your product, it is then time for you to reconsider your supplies cost. So I would recommend for you to do a little research, buying supplies in wholesale or buying them at a discount for businesses. That's going to save you a lot of money in the long run and allow it to be a lot cheaper so that you can make your profit margin a lot higher. Fourth reason you might not be making sales is because you are expecting Etsy to do all of the work and you don't want to do anything to help it. Okay, Etsy is a tool. Etsy is here to help you as a small business, and it's here to help you grow and become a great business. However, you should not just upload your listings onto Etsy and expect them to make you tons of sales. If you really want to make good sales and you really want to make a lot of money through your small business, you should be working hard on it. You should be dedicating your time and dedicating your efforts to draw outside traffic through things like social media, marketing, in-person events, or ads. These are all different ways that you can actually drive new customers into your shop, increase your sales, and grow your own business. And if you're not willing to do those things and you want this to just to be like a fun hobby, I totally get that. That's fine. But I imagine because you're watching this video, that's not the case for you. You want to make money. You want to make sales. Well, you're going to need to start doing these things in order to help them. I have a ton of videos already on my channel talking all about how to use TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and all of these different ways in which you can market your business and drive traffic to it to increase your sales. So I'll have a couple of them linked down below for you guys in the description box if you want to go and watch them after this one. The fifth reason you might not be making sales is because you don't have enough listings. The number of people that comment on my videos, you guys, and tell me that they don't get any sales on their Etsy shop, and then I go and look and they only have 3 to 5 items, even 10 items sometimes in their shop, and I'm like, yes, this is why. This is why you're not making sales. The fewer items you have, the fewer chances you have of being found in the Etsy search algorithm. Very simply put, the more items you have, the more chances you're gonna have of being found in the Etsy search algorithm, and it gives you more chances to make more sales. Increasing the number of listings on your shop can therefore increase your number of sales in your business as well. So working on increasing that listing number is going to be really crucial. I would recommend going to look at your competitors and see how many listings they have, and then start working your way up towards that number to be a really good base number for your business. If you're just starting out, work on getting 10 to 50 listings in your shop, and then you can kind of slow it down a bit and maybe do a couple of weeks so that you're not getting overwhelmed. And the sixth reason you might not be getting sales is because you don't have any branding. Branding comes down to a lot of different things, but for the main part, it has to do with your appearance, how you speak as a brand, and how you come off. This could be not having a great logo, not having a logo at all, not having a great cover photo that's informational or inspirational or exciting. This could be not having a social media presence at all. All of these different things are things that could be a part of your branding. I just did an entire video all about how to brand your Etsy business or small business. So I'm gonna link that for you guys up here as well as down below if you wanna go and check it out. It goes into further detail on how you can have a proper branding for your business. This is literally so essential, and I think so many people skip past it and they just want to start making sales. You have to think about it. People shop at brands that they love. People become diehard fans of certain brands because they love their voice or what they stand for or how they look. And that's what draws people in. And you as a small business owner are not an exception to that. You need to be doing that same type of strategy so that you can draw people in and create more sales in your store. If you find that you are still struggling with your Etsy shop, you feel like you're doing these things and maybe you need a little bit more help, please sign up for my Etsy Beginners Master Course. I go through an entire walkthrough process of starting your Etsy shop, building your brand, how to use social media to leverage your growth and sales, and so much more, guys. We even go in depth with SEO and all of these things I talked about today. You'll get all of the information that you need in one go to save you time and to save you money and to save you a headache. I'm gonna be linking it for you guys up here in the corner as well as down below so you can learn more about it. You can go and click on there and figure out exactly what is included and get a glimpse of what all is a part of it. Right here on the screen for you guys, I'm going to link another video that I think you'll find helpful, as well as an entire playlist full of other content that you guys will want to binge watch all about how to grow your Etsy shop. Down here, you're going to find my subscribe button so you guys can stick around for more videos. I upload every Tuesday and every Friday. And lastly, I'm going to link my Etsy Beginners Master Course for you guys to go and check out as well. That way you guys can learn more about it and sign up. And without further ado, that brings us to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.